For a while, it's been possible to add custom background and branding images to the Cisco Room devices. As not everyone is aware of this feature or how to do it, we made this video to show you. Behind me, I have a Cisco Room device, which is in what we call the half-wake state. This is the state the system enters when someone goes into a meeting room. It indicates how to interact with the system and is a kind of a greeting. To enhance this greeting, you can add your custom background and your company logo. As an admin, I will log on to the web interface of the endpoint and find the menu Setup. Below there's a submenu called Personalization. Opening this page will give me the option of uploading the background image and the logo. First, now, apply a background image. This is now being transferred to the endpoint. It'll take a few seconds based on the size of the image and also your network. But when it's applied, it'll look awesome, like it does here. Now I can add my branding, my company logo, for example. This is another asset, and this will appear in the bottom right corner of the system, both on the on-screen display and also, as we see, on the touch panel. When I, as a user, decide to use the system, I can press the touch panel and the system now enters this awake state. We can brand this as well with the third branding asset. And I select this and apply it to the codec, and it appears in the bottom right corner as well, both on the on-screen display, but also on the touch panel. We've now seen how to brand individual devices, but branding is typically something you will want to apply to multiple devices. And there's a few different ways of doing this, depending on your systems being cloud registered or on-premise registered. And although we're not going to cover in detail provisioning of our endpoints in this video, we're going to refer you to a separate video in this channel covering how to provision the systems.
If you enjoyed this content, hit the subscribe and like button below, and let us know what you want us to cover.